Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, we will talk about the countdown timer feature on this watch, Timex Ironman Classic. So first, let's get to the timer mode. Press the mode button, and then you get this one, timer on the display. And first, let's set the length of the timer. To do that, press the set recall button on the top left, this one. Okay. And yes, we can start by setting the hour. You can use the start split and stop reset to change the number. So this one will increase and this one will decrease. Okay, now press the mode button and we can set the minute. This one will increase and this one will decrease. Okay, same thing. Again, the mode button, and now is the second. Also the same thing. Start split will increase and stop reset button will decrease. And if we press once more, we can set what to do after the end of the countdown. So this one, it will repeat the timer. But if you want to end the timer, then press this one, start split, or you can also use the stop reset, same thing. It will stop the timer after finished. So let's say the timer is 4 minutes, then this one will finish, no more repeating, but this one will repeat itself. Now if you press the mode button, we're back to the setting for the hour, and yes, you can press the set recall button to exit from the setting. And next, you can start the countdown timer by pressing this one, the start split button. And you can pause or stop using the lower right button like this. You can continue using the start split button. And you can pause again or stop using the lower right button, the stop reset. And if you want to reset, press again the stop reset button like this. Now let me set the length to only 40 seconds and we will see how the timer works. Okay, now start, and it is counting down. And yes, we have set the timer length 40 seconds with the auto repeat active at the end of the timer. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and the timer goes off. And yes, the backlight is also flashing. The repeat feature is active, then now the timer is starting again. And if you want to stop, you can use the stop reset button, and then to reset, again press the stop reset button, and done. That's all for the timer feature on this watch, Timex Ironman Classic. If you have any question about this feature, you can put in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.